Hello, presenting Skills for Prosperity project EMA411 Education Administration course is Dr. Jenairin Dao of Maseno University. The other academic staff is Dr. Maureen Winger, supported by a technical team comprising of Mr. Peter Kiprotich, Mr. Felix Okeyo, and Mr. Stephen Ouma, the sign language interpreter. Welcome.
Hello, my name is Peter Kiprotich and I'm the instructional designer for the Maseno University group. During this development stage of the process, I was able to interact with the course developers as well as the students. One of the things that I would mention as a key deliverable that we were able to come out with the project is the course itself. The way the course was designed in terms of its layout. We conceptualized in the beginning that the course itself should have a very good background. What we achieved was a course outline that was able to guide us throughout the course, and with the course outline we were able to develop topical outlines, and in each topic we add an introduction, we add post-learning outcomes and engaging activities. We also add assessment that were developed for each topic and engaging discussion forum. It was quite an uphill task for course creators to be able to do this for the 10 topics of learning, but eventually by the end of it we had an eloquent course that we can reuse and reuse in the coming session.
I am Dr. Winger. The project has rejuvenated our teaching careers. We were able to incorporate current teaching methodologies like the flipped teaching approach, which helped us to save time with the students. The project also created confidence in creating and using automated continuous assessment tests. And as lecturers in our department, we were able to all use automated cuts for the large classes. We are excited in using blended teaching approach with our face-to-face students. We use the videos and audios also for teaching. The project emphasized the importance of using social media in creating a community of learning. And we intend to use this to increase or to boost the completion rates in projects.
The key reason for adopting blended mode was to address challenges that come with the very large numbers in Bachelor of Education classes at Maseno University. This was met to a large extent. It is flexible since all learners do not sit in an environment, say a room, to do the continuous assessment tests. However, internet remains expensive for individual learners. There are various hotspots within the college environment where learners congregate to access this facility. This sometimes poses a challenge to female learners who suffer harassment by their male colleagues. There is need for policy shift from wholesome traditional classrooms to blended courses that would also entrench the option of online examination. This ought to be escalated to all university academic departments. Of importance is the need to focus on capacity building for learners and support technicians. This would be for sustainability of progress realized in this Skills for Prosperity project. How was it? Briefly, then advantage, challenge, and way to improve.
Okay, what I can say on the online assessment is that it covers various content on that course, in that if you compare it to the takeaways that we are used to giving, it only cover topic 1 or topic 2, just a little bit of the content. But this online one cover almost every topic. So we are tested. I think that was the best assessment we have done. And the only disadvantage that the time limits, you are given 1 hour out of 54 questions. So I think you can improve on time, because most of us run out of time.
I'm Onyango Elizabeth. I think the course materials helped us a lot. We were actually achieved the objectives. We actually got the content. Then on advantage as compared to face to face, at least everybody was able to access the card. As if you compare to the takeaway cards, some of the people normally miss the cards, but for this online, at least everybody has accessed the card. Then on challenge, I think there was network failure. On challenge, I think there was network failure for some people. Then also time limit.
Suggest way to improve?
Improvement on time limit.
Time limit. Thank you. Next, yes.
So, I'm Abraham, and I would like to raise out my views concerning the course EMA. Okay, first of all, on the nature of the nature of the usefulness. The usefulness of the material was that it was able to impact the entire knowledge across how to handle the business administration and management in a school setup. Again, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll rank it on 8 over 10. That is 80%. And then some of the disadvantages we were faced with, some of the challenges was that the online material, the online assessment could not encourage the idea of group work important, the discussion, the all discussion procedures, all of them were downplayed, unlike the takeaway assignment, which always encouraged now that part of group work discussion and that socialization process. Again, on the part of time limit, the time limit was too short compared to the 7 blooms of taxonomy knowledge, all the way from understanding to analyzing. All of them were entailed on the material, but now the time will not allow each one of us to expound on each. And I think on improvement part, at least adjustment of the time, and then at least to encourage group participation, at least try to engage some activities which at least can boost up their group discussion part.
Given the skills that we have attained from this project, we are now able to roll out online courses for all common and high enrollment courses. Skills for prosperity for the university of tomorrow.